Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and welcome back to another one of my vids. Today, I'm going to be showing you how you can make my interpretation of battle damaged Darth Vader. So without any further ado, let's get into this. The first minifigure you'll want is a Darth Vader minifigure, and you'll want this for the head and torso. Next you'll be wanting a Force Awakens Kylo Ren, and we'll be using his legs and that cool cape piece he has. Next on the list is Crimson Dawn Maul, and you'll be wanting him for one of his legs. You can use any minifigure that has grey arms for this Darth Vader minifigure. I'm using a Weeping Angels. Finally, you'll want a Lego City Firefighter minifigure, preferably one with the neck apparatus because that's what we're taking. Now here's what the final minifigure looks like. I think it turned out quite well. I think it could have looked better if I had one of the newer Vader minifigures, but this is kind of a representation of the older magnet figure. Thank you for watching all the way through this video. I'm very impressed. If you have any ideas for any future minifigures that you'd like to see, feel free to leave a comment down below. My actual exams, have just started. I'm about 3 through, and I think they're going okay so far. If you're not subscribed, you could go and hit that button. That'd help me out a lot. Don't expect any more content than I do usually. But with that said, thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.